If you are doing research and you are working on a document within Google Drive, if you go to Google Documents, there are some tools that may be able to help you for this research. If you notice the toolbar up here, if you click on Tools and scroll down to Research, you will actually be able to research within Google, but while you are in Google Drive. If you notice, I actually have been searching and I searched for tigers, but let me tell you a little bit about the different pieces. If you notice in the search bar, if you click on this little down arrow, you have options to search everything in Google. You can search for images, scholar, quotes, and the dictionary. Other parts of this research tool, we can actually search for images that are either copyrighted and non-copyrighted, or if you click on the down arrow, you can see that you can find just copyright-free images. So that is a very nice feature for those people using pictures and inserting. The other option is the information you cite, you can actually cite in MLA, APA, and Chicago style. As you notice, I searched for tigers, and I have a whole bunch of searches that have appeared. I have images and I have a list of websites. So to show you some things just about the basic tools before switching things around, let's say I wanted to use this worldwildlife.org website. So let's just say I'm going to type in my Google Drive, tigers, and let's say I typed a whole bunch of information from that website. I can actually get the citation for this without having to do much work at all. If you hover your mouse over this website, you will notice that this preview, insert link, and cite come up. The nice feature is cite. If I click on it, you will notice over here in my document a 1 appears. That actually corresponds to the citation in a footnote. So you have everything in MLA format here as a footnote. Now not everybody uses footnotes, so you can actually copy and paste this into a bibliography and then delete it if need be. The other thing I wanted to show you is the copyright-free images. If you notice, I have these images here, but let's say I want to change that so they are any photos that I can use. I'm going to go to the free to use, share, or modify, even commercially. It's searching, and now that I scroll, you'll see that my images have changed. The one thing you want to be careful about is if you click on these, you can actually drag the pictures over. So obviously we're talking about Detroit tigers now instead of actual tigers. If you drag the picture over, it actually cites it automatically for you. If you notice, there's a 2 right here. So if you scroll down, whoops, wrong scroll. If you scroll down, you notice now that my picture is cited. But we don't like this citation. The one thing you need to be careful about is when you look at these pictures, you actually want to hover over the picture and click on source. This will take you to the page where the picture came from, and it will give you more information about the picture. So you can actually find who took the picture, when it was taken, where it was taken, if any of that information is located. Obviously this came from Flickr, but that's some of the information you want to use. So I hope that helps you understand a little bit more about the research tool, and hopefully you might be able to use this either for your class or pass some of this information along to your students.